So,
brain of cat.
This is the brain of the cat. So, first of all, ang central nervous system ay meron siyang covering, yung meninges of the brain. There are 3 layers. Outermost to innermost, diba? Yung dura mater, ito yun. Diba? Parang plastic na tough. This is the dura mater. Then, meron tayong arachnoid mater. Ito. And then, may pia mater. Yung pia mater ay para siyang visceral covering. Hindi siya pa pwedeng tanggalin. Kasi masisira.
Sir, regular size lang yun. Average size yan ng cat brain.
So, these are 3 meninges. So, etong dalawang to, these are the cerebral hemispheres. This is the cerebellum. Okay? Tapos, ito na yung spinal cord. Then, nandito yung medulla. Ito, diba? Ito yung spinal cord, ito yung medulla, ito yung pons. Okay? Spinal cord, medulla, pons. Between the medulla and the pons, meron tayong makikita nyo to. Diba? Itong pair na to. These are the trapezoid body. Tapos, yan. May structures din dito. Ito yung pyramids.
Wow. Geo.
So, now let's cut the brain. Sagittal section. Okay. Cut.
So believable.
Like this. By the way, may space dyan sa between the 2 cerebral hemispheres. Yung median, longitudinal, fissure. Tapos, kung mapapansin nyo, yung, di ba may ridges siya? Kasi nga, it's for increased surface area. Itong depressions na to, these are known as the sulci. And then, itong mga ridges are the gyri. Plural yon. Pero pag singular, sulcus and gyrus. Okay?
Ano spelling?
G-Y-R-U. Yes. Okay. If you take a closer look at the cerebellum, it actually has 3 parts. 2 sa gilid, tas may isa sa gitna. So, ito yung right and left cerebellar hemispheres. Yung nasa gitna, parang worm. Imagine nyo ba?
Yeah.
Okay, so, this is the worm or the vermix.
Vermix. Vermix.
Words lang nakaalala.
Okay?
Vermix.
So, ito naman tayo sa sagittal section. By the way, yung midbrain pala, I forgot to show it to you. Yung midbrain, makikita nyo siya pag nasa gitna siya ng cerebellum and cerebrum. So, ipo-pull down nyo lang yung cerebellum. You'll see something like, nakikita nyo ba 4?
Saan sir? Can you poke it sir?
Ayan. Paired 2 sa taas, 2 sa baba. Diba? So, collectively, that is called as the corpora quadrigemina. Kasi 4.
Quadrigemina.
Okay? Corpora quadrigemina. Kaya huwag nyo kalimutang basahin ang Hyman. Lahat ng sinabi ko simula kanina ay nasa Hyman. Okay? So, yung paired 2 sa taas ay yung superior colliculus. Superior colliculi. Tapos itong 2 dito, yung inferior colliculi. So, paired 2, kaya 4. Corpora quadrigemina. They make up the midbrain. Okay? Yung superior colliculi ay yun yung responsible sa connections with the eyes. Tapos yung inferior sa ears. Okay. So, balik tayo dito. So, anong mga structures naman na pwede nating mapin sa sagittal section? Kung ito yung cerebellum, makikita natin, para siyang puno, yung pattern. Nakikita niya ba?
Actually, it looks like cute.
Diba? Mukha siyang mga branch. Diba? So, that is known as the tree of life.
Totoo, sir?
Tree of life. Tree of life.
What's that?
Yung other name niya is the arbor vitae.
Ay, hindi. Tree of life. Heart strings lang.
Heart strings.
So, that's the arbor vitae.
So, yung tree of life pwede namin isagot.
Oh.
Oh, 3.
Yay!
Okay.
Huwag ko na i-discuss sir yung other name.
So, next. Ito, nakikita niyo itong white structure na to. So, that's the corpus callosum. It is, it allows connection between the right and left cerebral hemispheres. Corpus callosum. So, if you trace it posteriorly, itong part na to is the splenium. Tapos, pag anteriorly naman, nagba-bifurcate siya, di ba? Nakita nyo? Bifurcate. Nasa taas is the genu. Yung nasa baba is the fornix. Genu and fornix. Tapos, ito namang nasa gitnang to, ito. That's the septum pellucidum.
Ikutin mo lang yun.
Oo, itong region na to. So, genu, fornix, septum pellucidum, splenium. Then, itong region na to, katabi ng splenium, ito, that's the pineal gland.
Yung super liit.
Oo.
Sir, saan ulit?
So, ang pineal gland, anong naalala niyo sa pineal gland?
Melatonin.
For secretion of melatonin, diba? For circadian rhythm or sleep-wake cycles. Ito namang midbrain or yung anterior and anterior inferior or superior inferior colliculi. Kita rin siya dito. Ayan, diba? Superior and inferior colliculi. Then, itong circular mass na to, nakita nyo? That's the massa intermedia or the middle commissure or the thalamus.
Talabos?
Okay? This is the thalamus. Naalala niyo ba kung ano yung functions sa thalamus? Diba? For thirst, hunger, aggressiveness.
Huwag ko na i-discuss yung other names. Talabos. Saan yung hype?
Ito yung thalamus. Okay? Next, let's go here sa ano. Nakikita niyo ba may tatlong structures na magkakatabi? One. Sige, zoom mo. Zoom na ba yan? So, 1, 2, tapos 3.
Malaking turn,
diba?
no? Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, sir, ganun.
Okay? 1, tapos
I didn't know I could do that. I could do that pala, sorry.
tapos 3. Okay? So, yung nandito is the mammillary body. Mammillary body. Then, this is the infundibulum. Ah, hindi, sorry. The tubercinarium. This is the tubercinarium. And yung pinaka-anterior, this is the optic chiasma. Okay? So, mammillary body, tubercinarium, and optic chiasma. So, yung optic chiasma, yun yung point of intersection ng dalawang optic nerves. Yung tubercinarium, doon naka-attach yung infundibulum, which will attach to the pituitary gland. So, if you're wondering bakit wala yung pituitary gland dito, sinong may nakaisip? Bakit wala ang pituitary gland dito? Bakit yung stalk ay wala? Tubercinarium lang yung nandito.
Nasa sella turcica.
Okay, because it's housed in the sella turcica. Pag tinatanggal mo yung brain, may iwan yung pituitary gland doon. So, tubercinarium lang yung nakikita natin. Okay? So, ito yung pons again. Then, this will be the medulla. And finally, this is the spinal cord. Okay? So, yung spinal cord, makita natin sa gitna may canal. That's the central canal. Okay? Yung central canal will contain the cerebrospinal fluid. Okay? Alam natin, kailangan. Then, yung brain, meron din siyang hollow space sa loob. Diba? Na filled with cerebrospinal fluid. So, anong tawag dun sa spaces or cavities in the brain? They are known as
First letters.
ventricles. Okay? So, may ventricles din sa brain. Pero iba to sa ventricles sa heart. Okay?
Makikita ba namin, sir, sagittal or no?
Sa sagittal kita. So, ang fourth ventricle, okay? The fourth ventricle is found in between the medulla and the cerebellum. So, ayun. Okay, this is the fourth ventricle. Then, the third ventricle is found here. Okay, sa may ilalim ng thalamus. So, ang meron ka ngayon makikita parang pathway, di ba? Between the fourth ventricle and the third ventricle. So, this pathway here is known as the aqueduct of Sylvius. Okay? Sa aqueduct of Sylvius. Then, meron tayong last na didiscuss na ventricle dito. This is the lateral ventricle. Okay? So, ang nagko-connect naman ng lateral ventricle sa third ventricle is the foramen of Monroe. Okay? So, may foramen of Monroe dun.
So, name the brain.
Sila yung naka-discover eh. So, pinapangalan sa
So,
kanila.
wala bang ibang name yun?
Wala naman. Okay?
So, rundown sila.
Tree of Life. Third strong.
Tapos, may nakalimutan din akong banggitin. Makikita natin between the pons and the cerebrum, mayroong stalk. Makikita nyo? Ayan. So, this stalk is known as the cerebral peduncle.
Funny.
Peduncle.
Cerebral peduncle.
Preduncle.
Peduncle.
Peduncle also.
Pet just uncle. Pet uncle.
Wow.
Peduncle.
Tito uncle.
Okay, let's have a rundown. Okay, magpangalan. What's the name of this whole structure here? Cerebellum. Ito is the cerebellar hemisphere. Pag ito nasa gitna, worm. Okay? Ito, hindi, yung cerebral hemisphere. Ito, ano to?
Dura mater.
Okay, ito.
Spinal cord.
Ito. Medulla. Hindi, pwede yung pons. Trapezoid body. Okay, ito.
Stop.
Cerebral peduncle.
Tito uncle.
Peduncle.
Okay? Next. Ito, pag dito, ba midbrain, so the corpora quadrigemina. Ito yung anterior colliculi and inferior colliculi. Or superior, inferior. Then, dito naman tayo. So, anong tawag dito sa space na to?
Fourth
Fourth
ventricle.
ventricle,
Third
third, and
ventricle.
lateral. Ito, anong structure na to?
The white one. Walang first ventricle, sir?
Wala.
Bakit nag-start sa third?
Flux and trip.
This is the corpus callosum. Pag ito, splenium, genum, and fornix. Pag ito, septum, pellucidum. Ito, thalamus, superior and inferior colliculus. Pag ito, mammillary body, tubercinarium. Okay, itong space na to. Central canal. By the way, kung hinahanap niya sa yung hindbrain, the hindbrain is made up of the pons and the
Sir, sana
medulla.
ulit po yung aqueduct.
Aqueduct of Sylvius between the fourth and the third ventricle. Okay? Yan.
Thank you, sir.